Hi teens, this is Sahiba and this space is your beautiful space called Flux, and we are ready with the summer camp, which means that summer is around the corner and so are your holidays, and we are one of a kind art space in Indiranagar that caters to what the teenagers want during their summer camp. So I'm Sahiba and let me talk you through with what we are going to be doing if you haven't already visited our summer camp before, or if you haven't visited Flux altogether. So Flux, which is this space, we are an art space and we are primarily a dance, theatre, creative writing, storytelling space, which means that we believe that we must use art as a tool to express ourselves. And I understand that teenagers have so many different things to express. So let me tell you what we are going to be doing in the summer camp. We are going to be doing contemporary dance, and that's going to make you fitter and more flexible, and you're going to be doing like a lot of different things with the body. Along with that, we are going to be training in aerial yoga and gymnastics, if that is something that interests you. Besides contemporary dance, we are going to be doing photography, and I know a lot of you are visual wizards, which means that if you express visually, then photography is a beautiful medium to learn, understand on your camera and your phone. And so that is what we are going to be doing with our photography lessons. So contemporary dance and aerial yoga and gymnastics and photography and visual arts is a lot of fun. I understand that. And let me also take you on a tour of Flux if you haven't seen Flux before. So the space, this and this studio space where you're going to be moving and doing all your dancing and contemporary dance and theatre and storytelling is also a space where you're going to be learning creative writing. Now I know as teenagers you have a lot in you to express, a lot of ideas that you want to share with the world, and the ideas are best shared when we understand a skilled artistic way of expressing it, and nothing does it better than creative writing. Whether it is screenplay writing or whether it's poetry or whether it's just short stories, whatever it is that you're interested in, we are going to get together, brainstorm and really bring your ideas to life through words. And creative writing is something that I absolutely love doing with teenagers, and I'm really waiting for you guys to come and be a part of the Flux community. Also, by the way, do you know that this is our 10th summer camp? A lot of you have already done about 3, 4, 5 summer camps with us. I am very much looking forward for you to be a part of our 10th anniversary. This is a very big addition for us at Flux because we are going to be celebrating a full decade of hosting summer camps year after year, and this is our 10th year and we are very excited and looking forward to seeing you here. Let me also tell you more about different things that we are going to be doing along with taking you on a tour of the Flux space. So besides storytelling, besides creative writing, besides photography and contemporary dance and aerial yoga, we are also going to be doing theatre and improv. And theatre and improv is a beautiful artistic way to express through your voice, through the stories that you want to tell. And improvisation actually teaches you to be spontaneous on the spot. And don't we all need that? Don't we all want to express in a way that is authentic, funny, and maybe all the way coming from our soul, an expression that feels very, very who we are, right? So this is the other space, this is the other studio. If you haven't already seen this, this is where we are going to be doing aerial yoga, and this is where we are also going to be dividing you into different groups where you are going to be coming together and deciding different themes for your play, for your improvisation, and then at the end of it, we'll have a beautiful production where you are going to be working and performing all your dance pieces, your choreographies, everything that you learned, along with an exhibition of your photography and your pictures. There is so much to do this summer, and this summer marks the 10th edition of summer camps at Flux. So teenagers, what are you waiting for? Get started, because we have beautiful facilitators, amazing teachers for photography, aerial yoga, dance, theatre, improvisation, creative writing, storytelling, and so many different things to do and so many beautiful bonds to create with each other. You're going to meet so many like-minded children, so many like-minded people of your own age group. So this is Flux. I am Sahiba and I cannot wait to see you guys soon. Happy holidays and happy summer. Bye bye.